How to create stunning product avatars with Topview AI step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dang AI Pro channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into something incredibly exciting and useful for all business owners, marketers, and content creators. I'm going to show you how to create product avatars using Topview AI, a fantastic tool that helps you generate AI-powered avatars to showcase your products like never before. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to create these avatars without spending a ton of money or time on photo shoots or videos. Let's get started. What is Topview AI and how does it work? Topview AI is an incredible platform that lets you create AI-generated avatars to showcase your products. Imagine having a virtual avatar that can hold, showcase, and talk about your product, just like a real model. The best part is, no expensive photo shoots or video shoots are needed. It's as simple as uploading your product image and choosing an avatar. Step 1. Getting started with Topview AI. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up for Topview AI. Check the link in the video description or the pinned comment below to get started. Click on Create Account and sign up. Once you're done, you'll land on a page where you'll be able to start creating your product avatar. Step 2. Choose your avatar. Once you're logged in, go to the Product Avatar section. Here's where the fun begins. Topview AI offers a variety of avatars you can choose from. These avatars are customizable, meaning you can pick the gender, age, and even the gesture that best fits your product. For example, let's choose this particular avatar and see how it works. Step 3. Upload your product image. Now, it's time to upload your product image. Simply click on the Upload Image button and select the image of your product that you want to showcase. It's important to make sure the image you upload is clear and high quality. No blurry or incomplete images. Once you've uploaded the image, you can adjust the product size and position to fit the avatar's hands. Step 4. Position your product perfectly. After uploading the image, you can fine-tune how the avatar will hold your product. You can rotate the product or adjust its size to make sure everything looks perfect. Once you're happy with the positioning, click Confirm Product Position to move to the next step. Step 5. Creating your product avatar. Now that your product image is uploaded and positioned perfectly, click Create Product Avatar. Topview AI will start processing, and in just a few seconds, your avatar will be ready to showcase your product like a professional. Step 6. Customize and animate your avatar. Here's where things get interesting. Topview AI allows you to take it a step further. You can add scripts for your avatar to read, making it talk about your product in different languages. You can even create animated videos where your avatar explains the features of your product. The best part is that Topview AI can create these animations in just minutes, saving you so much time compared to traditional video production. You'll get a high-quality, engaging product showcase video that's sure to grab attention. Step 7. Final touches and downloading your video. Once your avatar is ready and animated, you can preview the video. If everything looks great, you can click Download to save the video to your device. Just click the 3 dots on the top right corner of the video player, hit Download, and it's all yours. Why Topview AI is a game-changer for your business. With Topview AI, you can easily create professional-looking videos that promote your product without needing to hire expensive models or photographers. Whether you're a small business or a large brand, this tool will help you showcase your products in a way that's engaging, innovative, and cost-effective. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create product avatars using Topview AI. It's super simple, affordable, and gives your product a whole new level of professionalism. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video on AI tools and video creation. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.